Hi, welcome to ACCQ Continuing Professional Education. We're going to talk about one of the most important subject matters these days, especially in filing of taxes. So we're going to talk about quarterly as well as annual filing of income tax. So get ready your calculators. So we're about to begin after this. Paano kung yung let's say yung tax mo, no, na-elect mo yung 8% na yon, no, dun sa taxable year na yon. So 8%, biglang tumaas yung tax mo nung fourth quarter, no, over 3 million. Bigla pa lang tumaas yung gross sales mo over 3 million. So automatically hindi disqualified ka na dun sa 8%, no? So paano natin re-remedyohan yun? Now, in this one, example number 3, gross sales or receipts exceeded 3 million within the taxable year. So let's take up this one. No? So non-cumulative data as of first quarter, ayan, second, third, and fourth. So we can see here na yung gross sales natin is 500,000 for the first quarter. So yung cost and expenses is 300,000 and operating expenses is 120,000. So take note of that, no? Okay? So this is non-cumulative, by the way. So for the second quarter, meron tayong 500,000 na gross sales and cost and expenses of also 300,000, 120,000 for the operating expense for the second quarter. And for the third quarter, that was around 2 million, 1.2 sa yung cost and expenses niya, and yung operating expenses is 480,000. Now, for the last period or for the last quarter, 3.5 million to nag-exceed na over 3 million na. So automatic na siya yung bang graduated rates. And then 1.2 million cost and expenses, and meron siyang i-suggest ako dito, no? Okay, napansin niyo ba yung background? No? Nandito ako ngayon sa Sanfo, dito sa may Golden Gate, no, ng sa may Cubao. So ito yung operating expenses natin, no? So 720,000. Yan. Okay, now required compute for the income tax. So the income tax were first, second, third, and for the year. Yeah. So we can see that sa gross sales natin, merong 500,000. So nakuha natin doon sa taas. Less the deduction of 250,000. So of course, kasi 8% pa, no? Okay. Ito yung inelect nila doon sa ITR nila, 8%. So meron silang mandatory deduction na 250,000. So yung cost and sales niya, no? Okay, so yun na rin yung niya. So multiply this itong taxable income niya, itong deduction niya, no, i-deduct from the gross sales. So meron siyang taxable income na 250,000, no? Okay, nagkataon lang pareho sila ng 250, pero itong 250 na to taxable income to after deducting yung deduction from the gross sales of 500,000. So 250,000 times 8%, so ito na yung tax para dun sa first quarter. So this would be 20,000, no? Okay, now the due for first quarter is also 20,000. Now for the second quarter, makita natin, so hindi pa rin umabot ng 3 million. So of course pwede pa sa 250,000 yung automatic deduction, and then yung taxable income niya na 750,000, multiply that by 8%, will have a 60,000 na income tax. So less natin yung first quarter na binayaran na 20,000 na tax doon nung first quarter. So meron pang 40,000 na due para doon sa second quarter. Now for the third quarter, we have a tax of 220,000. Of course, after deducting yung itong napansin nyo, ito cumulative na to, itong ginagawa natin dito, yung first, second, no. The third quarter has 2 million na gross sales, no. Inad natin yung 500,000 sa first quarter and sa second quarter, kaya 3 million. Pero yung yung deduction niya, automatic na 250,000, no? Yun yung deduction, 250,000. Okay, now, kung mapapansin mo, 3 million, hindi pa siya nag-exceed ng 3 million. So, pwede pa siya doon sa 8% na tax rate. Kailangan kasi mag-exceed para ma-disqualify. So, 250,000, makikita natin, dineduct from 3 million. So, we have a taxable income of 2,750,000. So, ang income tax niya dito is times 8%, that would be 220,000. Okay, now i-deduct natin yung first quarter na tax, 20,000, and 40,000 is second quarter. So meron pang natitirang 160,000 na tax dito sa third quarter. Now, for the year, kumita sila ng 3.5 million, no? Okay, ayun, no, nakita natin, no? Okay, so yun. So that's 3 million times 3.5, that's 6.5 million. So obviously magbabayad na siya nung graduated na tax, na income tax, no? Okay, using graduated rates. So at hindi na siya magle-less ng 250,000, but automatically yung cost and expenses na, yung itemized cost and expenses na 3 million. So saan nakuha ito? So ito lang yan. So 300,000 yung first, second quarter is 300,000, third is 1.2, and fourth is 1.2. So for a total of 3 million. So meron siyang 3.5, no? Okay? After deducting it from the gross sales. Now, yung operating expenses, no, was obtained also by adding first, second, third, and fourth quarter operating expenses. So for a total of 1,440,000. So you'll have yung taxable income na 2,060,000. Now, 2,160,000 kukunin mo dito sa graduated, no, tax table. So saan siya nakapaloob? Doon sa above 2 million but not over 8 million. So meron siyang automatic tax na 490,000. Okay, now, of course, in excess of the lower range na 2 million, no, which is 2,060,000 less 2 million, that would be 60,000. So 60,000, multiply this by 32%. Okay? So you'll have, nakalimutan natin yung yan. So you have 19,200. Yan. Okay. So i-add natin tong dalawa, you will have 509,000. Ito yung tax para dito sa for the year, no? Okay, 500,000. Ayun, 509,200. Now, ililess natin yung first, second, and third na tax, no, which is 20,000, 40,000, and 160,000. So you will have still a due of 289,200 for the year, no? Okay. The preceding lecture on this, napapawisan ako. Mainit pala dito sa San Francisco. If you have any questions dito sa preceding lecture natin dito sa taxation, no? Okay, dito sa quarterly and annual taxation of the practice of business, practice of profession and business, no? Just comment there. And if you have any suggestions for a topic, you can also write your comments. Okay. So for now, God bless and stay safe.